Good morning, students. This is Latif, sir. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, the chapter number 6, study of the first element of the predictable. And the first element of the predictable is hydrogen. So, in this chapter, you have to read about hydrogen. The symbol of hydrogen is H, capital H. And the molecular formula of hydrogen gas is H2. That is, hydrogen gas is a diatomic molecule. And valency of hydrogen is 1 because electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1 electron in k cell only, because atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so there is 1 electron in hydrogen atom, and relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and relative molecular mass of hydrogen gas is 2. Now first you have to know the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Hydrogen is the first element of the in the periodic table, and atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so it has only 1 electron in its valence shell. Therefore, it belongs to the first group and the first period of the periodic table. Thus, hydrogen belongs to the first group and the first period of the periodic table. However, the position of hydrogen in the periodic table has been a matter of controversy and debate. This is mainly because some of the properties of hydrogen resemble the properties of group 1a elements. Group 1a elements, that is alkali metals, while the others properties are similar to those of group 7a, that is group 17 elements, that is halogens. That means hydrogen has similar properties with group 1a elements and with the group 17 elements, that is 7a elements, that is with halogen. Thus the position of hydrogen in the periodic table has been a matter of controversy and debate. Thus, you can place hydrogen in group 1a and in group 17 also, because hydrogen has similar properties with the elements of group 1a and group 17. That is, hydrogen has similar properties with alkali metals and with halogens. Thus, you can place hydrogen in the modern periodic table in group 1a and in group 17 also. So note, hydrogen shows a dual nature, since it resembles the alkali metals of group 1a, that is group 1, and the halogens of group 7a, that is group 17. So hydrogen shows a dual nature. Now we have to know the similarity between hydrogen and alkali metals and similarity between hydrogen and halogens. So first, similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. There are many similarities between hydrogen atom and alkali metals, and the similarities are: first, in electronic configuration. If you see electronic configuration of hydrogen and the others alkali metals, okay, they have only one electron in their outermost orbits. If you check or if you see the electronic configuration of hydrogen gas and of alkali metals, you will see that they have only one electron in their outermost orbit. Electronic configuration given here, you can see hydrogen has one electron in its k cell only. Lithium, atomic number 3, has a electronic configuration 2 1, that is in k cell 2 electron, in L cell 1 electron. In case of sodium, sodium has 11 electrons, so electronic configuration of sodium is 2 electron in K cell, 8 electron in L cell and 1 electron in M cell. Okay, so in all cases there are 1 electron in the outermost cell. Second, valence electron. All elements all elements have 1 valence electron in their outermost cell. That is, valency of alkali metals and hydrogens is same and the valency is 1. All alkali metals including hydrogens have valency 1. Next, ion formation. Each of them, that is hydrogen and alkali metals, both can form cations, uh, monovalent or positive cations by losing an electron. So formation of ions formation. Both hydrogen and alkali metals form similar type ions, that is monovalent positive ion like H plus, Na plus, K plus, Li plus. Thus, both hydrogen and alkali metals both are electropositive in nature. Next point, reducing power. Both alkali metals and hydrogen act as reducing agent. So there is a similarity between hydrogen and helium and no alkali metals. There are many similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. Similarity in ion formation, similarity in electronic configuration, similarity in reducing power. Okay, and similarity in burning. If you burn hydrogen in oxygen, it will form water. That is H2O. And hydrogen burns with a pop sound. Similarly, alkali metals also burn vigorously when heated in oxygen to form their respective oxide. That is, lithium forms lithium monoxide Li2O, sodium forms sodium monoxide Na2O, and potassium, rubidium, cesium, these elements form superoxide having general formula MO2. For example, potassium when uh, react with oxygen, it forms potassium superoxide, that is KO2. And now see the action of air on alkali metals. Alkali metals are so reactive and they get rapidly tarnished when exposed to air. This is due to the high reactivity of alkali metals. And when they exposed to air, when alkali metals exposed to air, they get rapidly tarnished. This is due to the formation of oxide and hydroxide and finally carbonates on their surface. This is due to the formation of oxide and hydroxide and finally carbonates on their surfaces. And due to their high reactivity of alkali metals are always stored in an inert organic solvent such as kerosene oil. And this inert solvent prevents them from coming in contact with air and moisture. Now see similarity between hydrogen and halogen. Now similarity between hydrogen and halogen. Similarity in electronic configuration. Both hydrogen and halogen have one electron less than the nearest inert gases. For example, hydrogen has one electron, which in hydrogen has one electron less than the nearest inert gas, helium. Similarly, fluorine has one electron less than the nearest electronic noble gas, or inert gas neon. Okay, so both hydrogen and halogens have one electron less than the nearest inert gas. Second similarity in valency, both hydrogen and halogen has valency 1. Thus, they accept one electron to attain electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas or nearest inert gas. Next, similarity in formation of ions, both hydrogen and halogens show a tendency to form anions since they are one electron short of nearest inert gas configuration. So both hydrogen and halogens can form anions, similar type anion like H minus, Cl minus, F minus. Next, electronegative character. Both halogen and hydrogen are non-metal, and they show electronegative character. They can attract electron towards itself, forming negatively charged anion. Now, and physical state, like other halogen, fluorine, chlorine, hydrogen is also a gas. And atomicity, hydrogen as well as halogen exist in the form of diatomic molecule, that is H2F2Cl2, like this. Okay, so these are the similarities between hydrogen and halogen. Now see some difference between properties of hydrogen from those of alkali metals and halogens. So properties of hydrogen different from those of alkali metals and halogens, that is dissimilarities. So hydrogen atom has one cell, but alkali metals and halogens have two or more cell. This is the first difference or dissimilarity. Hydrogen atom has only one cell, but alkali metals and halogen have two or more cell. Second difference, oxide of hydrogen, that is H2O, water, is a normal oxide. Oxide of hydrogen is a normal oxide, while oxide of halogen like Cl2O, Cl2O7, etc. are acidic in nature, while oxide of alkali metals like sodium oxide, Na2O, K2O, etc. are basic in nature. So these are some different properties of hydrogen from those of alkali metals and halogens. Okay, so due to similarities in property uh, of hydrogen with the property of halogen and property of alkali metals, you can place hydrogen in the modern periodic table in group 1 and in group 17 also. Okay, the position of hydrogen in the periodic table has been a matter of controversy and debate. Okay students, thank you.